Hello everyone, you want to listen up for this one. Learning is something we can never stop doing. This newly published course on Udemy titled Economics 201 provides a learning opportunity for both professionals and students. There's a free coupon linked to this video for the early birds. Endeavor to use the coupon as quickly as possible because it will expire soon. So if you know you are interested in this, just click on the link you can find in the description box. Click it immediately before it expires, and please do leave an honest review after you take the course. So let me let you listen into the introduction yourself. Happy learning!
Hello and welcome to this course titled Economics 201. I am super excited about this course because it is economics, but it's not economics as usual. Curious? Well, here is why it's unusual. This course has a dynamic aspect to it in that it pulls together economic sectors, demand, supply, and supply chain and explains how they are all connected to this one subject called economics. Now that's not all. This course unravels the potentials of economic theories, displaying how they are the foundation of virtually all that happens within an economy. I hope you get as excited as I am as we make progress in this course. Let's take a look at the learning objective of this course. The learning objective of this course is that every student explicitly understands economic sectors, the happenings within their immediate environment, and be fully empowered to make well-informed decisions upon the completion of the course. Let's get started.